Hey guys, I am back again with another bomb synthetic wig for only $37. This is Miss Kamalia and I have her in the DRFF4 Golden Honey from the Melted Hairline collection. Now I'm going to go ahead and begin unboxing her. Straight out of the box, my first impression was, oh, this hairline is bomb, honey. I love, even on the stock card, the model, she looked good with it, but I just knew I could go ahead and slay this, honey. But yeah, one thing about me, whenever I'm choosing a synthetic wig, I want to know the construction on the inside. You know, I want the hairline to be nice, because I already know that at the end of the day it is synthetic, but I don't want anyone else to know that it's synthetic. So I try to make everything look as human as possible, as realistic as possible. So of course I'm going to go in and tweeze the hairline. You can wear it like this if you want to, but I'm not. Like I said before, I'm a hairstylist and it is a pet peeve of mine. So all I do whenever I'm tweezing the part, you can pull the hair out one strand by one strand, or maybe two or three, but you really have to be careful whenever you're doing that, because you will rip a hole in the lace. If you would like to purchase this unit, I will link all of the information in the description box. And if you watch my previous video on doing these parts, I do also use my trimmers to do the part too, but because this one is very skinny, you don't really have much parting space, you will have to tweeze it. I'm going to go in and begin tweezing the hairline, and you're going to, take your time and do this. Make sure that you do not poke holes in the lace. Use the slanted side of the tweezer, go in and tweeze, and you're just going to do it to your personal preference. If you're not already subscribed to the YouTube channel, please make sure that you do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. Please feel free to leave your feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you guys. And again, thank you everyone for helping grow the community. I would love to bring more helpful wigs and tutorials to the channel. So just let me know what you guys think. So now I'm going to use my Tigi Wax Stick to apply it on the hairline, and I'll link this information as well. All you're going to do is go up maybe a ½ inch to an inch. You don't want to put it all the way up, because if you do, whenever you go in with your hot comb, it will straighten it out too much and kind of take away the style and the texture of the hair. And now you're going to use your Andis Hot Comb to go in and begin straightening out the roots of the hair. And again, please make sure that you keep that hot iron on at least 200 to 250. Some say you can go up to 300, but if you do not know where or how hot the comb should be, just start out at the lowest temperature and then work your way up. As you can see, the more you put heat on it, you can see how the texture is getting really straight. And this is why I say do not put that wax all the way down, because it's going to straighten out the hair and it's not really going to go back to its normal state. So whatever you want straight, only straighten out what needs to be straight, because you can curl hair back, but when it comes out of the pack with this curl, it's really nice. So I try to do as less maintenance as possible, try to keep everything nice and flowy. So yeah, just kind of do it how you want to, take your time, and yeah, slay this unit. And I'm going to go with this natural hairline because it looks amazing and it looks very, very natural. So I'm going to use my Chi Magnified XF Volume Holding Spray, and it's very light because I don't want it to look super, super hard, but I want it to stay in place because over time, synthetic hair tends to do its own thing. So I do use holding spray to kind of hold everything in place. Because the hairline looked so good, I didn't feel the need that it needed baby hair. I wanted to literally wear it as is, and I was able to do that. And this is the full view after I completely did everything to the hairline that I want to. It looks very natural, thin. The ultimate goal is you do not want that hair going straight across in a line. I'm going to use my Kiss Cream concealer to conceal my part and make it match and look like a sew-in or a quick weave with bundles. Whenever you take that extra step, it gives it a more realistic look, and it will, you know, be undetectable. Anytime that I'm wearing synthetic units, people will never ever know that they're synthetic because I take that extra step to make it look good. And you know, a lot of people are against synthetic wigs. Oh, they don't last, they're fuzzy, it's synthetic. That's why they're at the price point that they're at. But I don't wear my units all the time. They last me because I put them on, take them off. I do not sleep in them, and I make sure that I take care of them, put them back in their proper places, and just make sure that I'm doing what I need to do. And anytime that I need to reuse it after I apply it, I do go in and wash it as well, because you could treat it how you want to, but it's best that you treat it just as you would as if it was human. Now I'm going to go in and apply this unit. Underneath I do have a stocking cap on and a lace band, and this helps the wig to not move at all. You really can't see it underneath. Even though it's black, you really cannot tell you'll have it on underneath. So it's a wig grip band, and if you can't find it, I do sell them as well. So now I'm just using my eyebrow razor to go ahead and cut that lace off. Really be careful so that you don't cut yourself. Normally I take my lace off before I put it on because I can see better, but when you're doing it on yourself, it is a little bit harder. But I'm doing this for you guys just to kind of show y'all how I put this down. And to be honest, this lace is already laying even without melting it down or applying any product to it. To lay my lace down, I'll be using the Ebin Wonder Lace Melt Spray. And I really love this product because it gives that hold and it doesn't flake, it doesn't turn white. And I do notice that after a while, you do start to get buildup, but it does the job. So if you apply this multiple times, you will see that it does build up, and then you'll have to end up washing your unit, but you'll have to do that anyway if you apply any product. But I really love this spray. It does the job, and they do have different ones as well, like the Mega Volume, and I think this is the Platinum or the Supreme, one out of the two, but I will link that information for you guys. When I'm laying down this lace, I like to start at the top and then work my way down to the sides. So now that it's down, I'm going to go in with my lace melting band, and I do sell these as well on my website. You're going to spray just a little bit on top of the lace before you put it down, and this is going to seal that lace down and blend it more into your skin. And I know a lot of people ask, how long does this last? This is temporary, so don't expect it to be on for weeks at a time. But if you want to use lace glue, it will last you, but you will have to make sure that you take care of the ends of the hair. Always brush and comb for the ends up because it is synthetic at the end of the day, but I always take mine off to keep longevity. Now that I'm done blow drying it, I'm going to go ahead and remove that lace band. And as you can see, it helps to lay that lace down and melt it into your skin. It looks very realistic. And you can use your concealer if you still see some lace, because, you know, everybody's skin tone is not going to match the lace. So if you need to, use some concealer, but more than likely you won't need it. This is how the unit looks. I'm going to brush out these curls as you can see on the cover photo, and this is about the length, probably about a 22 or 24 inch. It's very, very pretty for all of my blonde girls, so I do recommend this unit. And again, thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I would appreciate all of your feedback, and don't forget, the link will be in the description box.